I welcome you all for this lecture series in the course Principles of Management. And you could see a grand ceremony hall where it is full of flowers and so many people are attending the function. So in this particular function, all needs to be at one point, right? And this is all about a well-versed topic among us is event management. So event management encompasses planning, organizing, and executing events, including conferences, wedding, concerts, and festivals. It requires meticulous attention to detail and strong organization skills to ensure a successful event. So the event planning process happens in this way. One is concept development, planning and budgeting, execution and management, and post-event evaluation. So in the first stage, the initial stage involves brainstorming ideas, defining the event's purpose, target audience, and desired outcomes. And it is a self-explanatory sentence. And the second one is planning and budgeting. The phase includes outlining the event schedule, venue requirements, and staffing needs, marketing plan, and financial projections. So without finance, we cannot do anything. So we have to plan for the same. Execution and management. This involves coordinating all aspects of the event, including logistics, vendor management, on-site operations, and guest engagement. So post-event evaluation, analyzing event performance, gathering back feedback, and identifying the areas for the improvement for future events. So venue selection and logistics. So choosing the right venue is crucial. Consider factors like capacity, location, accessibility, technical abilities, and budget. So any event which is successful will always find the right venue. The second point to be considered is logistics. So it encompasses everything from transportation, parking to catering and AV equipment. Ensure smooth operations through careful planning and coordination. So event setup, this involves arranging, setting, seating, staging, decoration, and other essential elements for a visually appealing and functional event space. So to promote, we should have marketing and promotion, the target audience, identify your target audience and tailor your marketing message to their interest and preference. Marketing channels, utilize a mix of digital and traditional marketing channels, including social media, email marketing, print advertising, and public relations. So we have to create an event website, create a dedicated website for your event, providing essential information, registration details, and updates. Then publicity and outreach. So reach out to the media outlets, influencing community groups to generate interest and build awareness. So coming to the budgeting and financial management, we have revenue, ticket sales, sponsorship, exhibitors fee. And in the expenses, we have venue rental, catering, marketing, and in the profit, we have projected income minus expenses, financial goals, budget control. So risk management and contingency planning. So risk assessment, identify potential risks such as weather, speaker cancellations, or security threats. Contingency planning, you should develop backup plans and procedures to mitigate risk and ensure smooth event operation. Emergency response, establish clear communication channels and procedures for handling emergencies. So the final one is insurance. Consider acquiring appropriate insurance coverage to protect against financial issues. Stakeholder engagement and collaboration for the event management, and the collaboration work closely with the vendors, sponsors, and other stakeholders to ensure smooth event execution. And you should maintain a clear and consistent communication with all the stakeholders to manage expectations and address concerns. And the feedback, gather feedback from stakeholders to identify areas for improvement and foster ongoing relationships. So after completing the event, it is very important to collect feedback, and you should analyze the data through data analysis, review attendance figures, feedback surveys, and financial reports to evaluate event performance. And you should have lessons learned, identify strengths and weaknesses, that is about SWOT analysis of the event, areas of improvement, and best practices for the future events. And finally, we should look out for a continuous improvement, implement changes based on the evaluation findings to enhance future events and optimize the planning process. So I hope it is very clear about event management, and we have a basic idea on event management. So I thank everyone for your patience listening. We'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you all.